Then 70 million IPs in 195 countries. Singapore MobileProxy.com has a few thousand modems in one city. If your work is Singapore only, the small one wins on cost by 4 to 6 times. Here's the honest breakdown. Bright Data is the largest proxy company in the world. They sell to enterprises doing global ad verification, market intelligence, academic research. Their pool is huge, their pricing is per gigabyte, their support is tiered. SMP is the opposite shape, Singapore only, owned modems, flat monthly per port. This video is for operators choosing between them. 3 things we'll cover. 1. Where Bright Data genuinely wins. 2. Where SMP wins on Singapore work. 3. The pricing math at 530 and 100 gigabytes per month. Time, main body. Time, major coaster permat. Main body, day, where Bright Data is the right pick. Bright Data has been in business since 2014, started as Luminati Networks. Their public number is over 70 million IPs across residential, data center, ISP, and mobile. 195 countries on the map. Singapore is one of those countries. If you're running ad verification across the EU, US, LATAM, and Southeast Asia in the same pipeline, you do not want to integrate 4 regional vendors. Bright Data is the single vendor, their proxy manager, scraping browser, web unblocker, all real tools that solve real problems at enterprise scale. Their enterprise SLA is also real. Mission-critical scrapes that cannot wait 4 hours for a reply belong on Bright Data. Self-serve tickets take 24 to 48 hours, but enterprise gets dedicated reps. But where SMP is the right pick, the mobile lines. On Singtel, StarHub, and M1, every modem is owned and operated by the company. You can ask for a specific carrier, and you get it. Mobile pool is sourced through a partner network, genuine cellular, but you don't pick the carrier and you don't see the ASN breakdown for Singapore. For general scraping, that's fine. For fingerprint-sensitive Singapore targets, owned hardware wins at the edges. Testev, the dashboard is intentionally narrow. Account, ports, allow list, usage, billing, API keys. 5 clicks from login to working proxy. New users get a scrape running in 15 minutes. Total pricing math at 3 volumes. Bright Data Mobile is per gigabyte with volume tiers, $8 to $12 per gig at small volumes, $4 to $6 at hundreds of gigs per month. Singapore carries no premium and no discount. Hola. Onemcherda Kortil Winkritzingtotsil Pien. Tagunsigisla Dikanlapsiliner. Dedicated reseller tier 149. That for pay-as-you-go shoppers under 5 gigs, Bright Data wins. For sustained Singapore-only workloads above 5 gigs, SMP wins handily. That sticky session difference. Both providers do sticky sessions the same way. Token in the username binds request to one egress IP. The difference is the username string. Bright Data's username encodes customer zone country session. For multi-country work, that flexibility is useful. For Singapore-only work, the simpler SMP username is one less thing to typo.
Verdict by use case F. Better fit wins. Desires. That wouldn't time to scrapping. Bright Data, right now. Enterprise SLA with 24/7 coverage. Bright Data. Managed scrapping browser. Web unblocker. Bright Data. Singapore only 5 gigs a month or more. SMP. Singtel, StarHub, or M1 carrier pinning. SMP. Flat monthly pricing. No per gig surprises. SMP. Direct chat with the modem operator. SMP. Flat monthly pricing. No per gig surprises. SMP. Direct chat with the modem operator. SMP. Everything else on Bright Data. That's the cleanest split.
If Singapore is your primary geo, run a 1-week trial on both. Cost is small, signal is large. Spin up a 2-hour SMP trial at singaporemobileproxy.com/client trial. No card required. Dedicated Singtel, StarHub, or M1 modem on a real Singapore IP. Point your scraper at it. Run the same job through Bright Data. Compare success rates and cost. For a paid plan, use code YT30 for 30% off the first month. If your workload spans many geos and Singapore is one stop, stay on Bright Data, add an SMP port for the Singapore slice, save 4 to 6 times on that line item. That's the honest answer. Next video, we go head to head with Oxylabs, which is the other premium global player. Same framework, different verdict.